Good morning, AVID sophomores. Welcome to semester number 2 and our AVID class. I know that almost all of you, if not all of you, were in my class last semester and have had me as a teacher before, so that's kind of nice. We already know each other pretty well. If you are new to AVID, welcome. We are happy to have you here. So this is just a peek at our Schoology page for second semester. It looks very similar to first semester if you had me in first semester. Contact info is here. This is the link for our Friday Google Meets, which is just optional. You don't have to join those. And then I'll show you the link to our other Google Meets, our daily Google Meets. It's in our weekly folders. These are some collaborative class norms that we have come up with throughout. Our schedule's always here, but I also have it in the weekly folders because sometimes that's easier to look at. Here are just some random tutorial resources if you need them, if you need examples, if you want to watch a tutorial, anything like that, because we will continue with doing tutorials once a week this semester along with study sessions once a week this semester as well. Okay, so looking at week 20 and the first week of our semester, we are going to do a little bit of goal setting on Monday, just kind of reflecting on 2021 and looking at what type of goals do we want to set for the rest of our school year. Okay, then 2 other days throughout the week, so starting Monday and finishing Thursday, we are going to do a hyperdoc assignment that kind of just goes over like what AVID 10 is. I know a lot of you know this already, but second semester looks a little bit different too. And then it kind of has you reflect on like what are some of your writing skills, what are some of your reading skills, or what level are you at and what more do you need from AVID as a whole or our class or from me to help you progress in some of those skills that are going to be beneficial to you in the future and in college. Okay, we'll do an individual study session on Tuesday. Then we will have our regular tutorial on Wednesday, yep, like always. And then on Friday, we're going to do an activity or a lesson on the link between stress and memory, okay? Because oftentimes we don't realize that our level of stress can often impact our ability to remember certain things. So if you have test anxiety and stuff like that, and we're going to learn more about test anxiety this semester, and come up with ways that we can kind of combat that and keep it at bay when we have tests coming up, because I know some of us struggle with that too. So that's going to be Friday's lesson. Just a reminder, we only Google Meet Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You do not have to Google Meet on Friday with me. But if you ever need to set up a time to chat with me or Google Meet or anything like that, just let me know. We can always do that if you want it to just be you and I as well. Otherwise, I'll see everyone on Monday at our Google Meet, 4th hour.